It's day 182 of quarantine lockdown. So I'm just recording everything I do now. We're gonna be putting in a air horn today. Probably won't take long, be a nice short video. And hopefully we'll have an air horn that is requisite of a vehicle of this stature. So this is the air horn I got off of Amazon or eBay, I forget what. And actually, I have a feeling it's going to be way too high pitched for what I want, but it's a start, right? Right now, I barely have an electric horn, so let's give this a try and see if it's any better. So I got this neat little T fitting here from Amazon. I got a bag of a whole bunch of these. And I think I'm gonna try and tie it into that blue line right there. That goes to my air seat. And so I'm just gonna clip it, and then these are just like shark bite connectors. And so it should just push right on. Okay, I have the T spliced in there. All right, and then we got the horn hooked up. I have that wired. This is just a solenoid. Have that wired up to where the stock horns are, so this can be operated without the foot switch. It's operated from the steering wheel switches. All right, I got the bus running to build some air pressure here. I've got the horn just sitting out there. I'm gonna give it a little toot here. I already tested it once, but I don't want to annoy my neighbors too much, but check this out. That's loud. All right, we'll shut her down. We should have enough air pressure to screw around with it a little bit more too. All right, we've got it all buttoned up, and Amelia is gonna help us out here. She's gonna show us how the horn works. You remember how to do it, right? Okay, so we're gonna come out here. Wow. Oh my God! Woo! Listen to that horn! That was plenty loud. Get out of her way. All right. So that's all we have for today. It's a real short one. We're just doing the, just getting that horn going. That'll be a lot of fun. You know, sometimes people give me the horn sign. It'd be nice to give them a little toot. So that's it. And Amelia also says goodbye. So that's it. Thanks.